This is an ultrasonic sensor. It sends the ultrasonic sound wave with the help of transmitter. And when the sound wave strikes on any surface, it reflects back to the receiver after a specific time duration. Then with the help of duration, distance can be measured by the formula, which is duration multiplied by the velocity of sound in air and divided by 2. In this way, the distance between the ultrasonic sensor and the object can be measured.
To give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me,